Welcome to this RadMat CPD presentation on inverted roofing, a guide to design and specification. We have set 5 main learning aims for this CPD. They are to assist the specifier to understand inverted roof construction, identify the features and benefits of inverted roof construction, know the key design considerations, comply with regulations and codes of practice, and be able to evaluate the suitability of product and specifications for inverted roofs. To achieve these objectives, let's start with a bit of Roofing 101 and go through generic flat roof definitions so we proceed with a common understanding. A traditional cold roof has the insulation placed below the structural deck. This is very typical of timber roof construction, both flat and pitched roofs. This system relies on a vapor barrier beneath the insulation and incorporating a continuous flow of air to disperse water vapor within the structural void. The waterproofing membrane is exposed to thermal shock, UV degradation, and maintenance foot traffic. Due to limitations of design, this construction method is unable to meet current thermal regulations and, when this doesn't work effectively, water vapor can reach dew point and condense within the structure, causing damp and rot and potentially decreasing the efficiency of the insulation itself. That completes this RadMat CPD presentation, giving you an understanding of inverted roof construction, showing you the key features and benefits, a grasp of key design considerations, the relevant regulations and codes of practice, plus the knowledge to evaluate the suitability of product and specifications for inverted roof construction. You can now take the CPD quiz.